হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান, আজ থেকেই ইংরেজি বলা শুরু করুন। আজ আমরা শিখব কিছু অত্যন্ত গুরুত্বপূর্ণ ইংরেজি প্রশ্ন, যেগুলো প্রতিদিনের কথাবার্তায় কাজে লাগবে। এই প্রশ্নগুলো খুব সহজ, কিন্তু ইংরেজি বলতে গেলে এগুলো জানতেই হবে। বাছাই করা কিছু গুরুত্বপূর্ণ প্রশ্ন, যেগুলো সব WH ওয়ার্ড দিয়ে তৈরি। চলুন একে একে এই দরকারি ইংরেজি প্রশ্নগুলো শিখে নিই। কে ওটা বলেছে? হু সেড দ্যাট? Who said that? এটি কে দিয়েছে? Who gave this? Who gave this? তুমি কাকে খুঁজছো? Who are you looking for? Who are you looking for? ওখানে কে আছে? Who is there? Who is there? তুমি কাকে ফোন করছো? Who are you calling? Who are you calling? তুমি কার সাথে কথা বলছো? Who are you talking to? Who are you talking to? তুমি কাকে ভালোবাসো? Who do you love? Who do you love? এটা কে করেছে? Who did this? Who did this? তুমি কাকে চেনো? Who do you know? Who do you know? তুমি কার জন্য অপেক্ষা করছো? Who are you waiting for? Who are you waiting for? তুমি কাকে পাঠিয়েছো? Who did you send? Who did you send? তুমি কার কার কাছে গিয়েছিলে? Who did you go to? Who did you go to? তুমি কাকে আমন্ত্রণ জানিয়েছো? Who did you invite? Who did you invite? এই গানটা কে গেয়েছে? Who sang this song? Who sang this song? তুমি কাকে বিশ্বাস করো? Who do you trust? Who do you trust? তুমি কাকে দেখেছো? Who did you see? Who did you see? তুমি কার সাথে গিয়েছিলে? Who did you go with? Who did you go with? তুমি কাকে বলেছিলে? Who did you tell? Who did you tell? তুমি কাকে পাঠাবে? Who will you send? Who will you send? তুমি কার সাহায্য চাও? Who do you want help from? Who do you want help from? তুমি কাকে পছন্দ করো? Who do you like? Who do you like? এই উপহারটা কে দিয়েছে? Who gave this gift? Who gave this gift? তুমি কাকে ডাকছো? Who are you calling? Who are you calling? ওই লোকটা কে? Who is that man? Who is that man? তুমি কাকে মেসেজ করছো? Who are you texting? Who are you texting? তুমি কাকে শেখাচ্ছো? Who are you teaching? Who are you teaching? তুমি কোথায় যাচ্ছ? Where are you going? Where are you going? তুমি কোথায় ছিলে? Where have you been? Where have you been? তুমি কোথায় থাকো? Where do you live? Where do you live? এটা কোথায়? Where is it? Where is it? তুমি কোথায় কাজ করো? Where do you work? Where do you work? তুমি কোথায় যাচ্ছিলে? Where were you going? Where were you going? তুমি এটা কোথায় পেয়েছো? Where did you get this? Where did you get this? তুমি কোথায় জন্মেছিলে? Where were you born? Where were you born? তুমি এখন কোথায় থাকো? Where are you staying now? Where are you staying now? ওরা কোথায় গেল? Where did they go? Where did they go? আমার ফোনটা কোথায়? Where is my phone? Where is my phone? তুমি কোথায় বসবে? Where will you sit? Where will you sit? তুমি কোথায় দেখা করতে চাও? Where do you want to meet? Where do you want to meet? গতকাল তুমি কোথায় ছিলে? Where were you yesterday? Where were you yesterday? তুমি এটা কোথায় রাখবে? Where will you keep it? Where will you keep it? তুমি কোথায় যাচ্ছ এখন? Where are you going now? Where are you going now? ওরা কোথায় থাকে? Where do they live? Where do they live? ওই দোকানটা কোথায়? Where is that shop? Where is that shop? তুমি এটা কোথায় রেখেছো? Where did you put this? Where did you put this? তুমি কোথায় খেতে চাও? Where do you want to eat? Where do you want to eat? এই রাস্তাটা কোথায় যায়? Where does this road go? Where does this road go? তুমি তখন কোথায় ছিলে? Where were you then? Where were you then? ওরা কোথায় খেলছে? Where are they playing? Where are they playing? তুমি কোথায় যেতে চাও? Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? এই শব্দটা কোথা থেকে আসছে? Where is this sound coming from? Where is this sound coming from? তুমি কোথায় নামবে? Where will you get down? Where will you get down? তুমি এটা কোথায় শুনেছ? Where did you hear this? Where did you hear this? তুমি কখন আসবে? When will you come? When will you come? তুমি কখন গিয়েছিলে? When did you go? When did you go? তুমি কখন ফিরবে? When will you return? When will you return? তোমার জন্মদিন কবে? When is your birthday? When is your birthday? তুমি কখন খেয়েছিলে? When did you eat? When did you eat? ওরা কখন এসেছে? When did they come? When did they come? তুমি কখন ঘুমাতে যাও? When do you go to bed? When do you go to bed? তুমি কখন ওঠো? When do you get up? When do you get up? তুমি কখন কাজে যাও? When do you go to work? When do you go to work? তুমি কখন পৌঁছাবে? When will you reach? When will you reach? ওরা কখন বেরিয়েছিল? When did they leave? When did they leave? তুমি কখন ফ্রি হবে? When will you be free? When will you be free? তুমি কখন এসেছিলে? When did you arrive? When did you arrive? ওরা কখন যাবে? When will they go? When will they go? তুমি কখন ফিরে এসেছিলে? When did you come back? When did you come back? তুমি কখন শুরু করেছিলে? When did you start? When did you start? তুমি কখন এটা দেখেছিলে? When did you see this? When did you see this? তুমি কখন বাড়ি যাবে? When will you go home? When will you go home? তুমি কখন ফোন করবে? When will you call? When will you call? তুমি কখন তার সাথে কথা বলেছিলে? When did you talk to him? When did you talk to him? তুমি কখন এটা বানিয়েছো? When did you make this? When did you make this? তুমি কেন জিজ্ঞাসা করছো? Why are you asking? Why are you asking? তুমি কেন দেরি করেছো? Why are you late? Why are you late? কেন নয়? Why not? Why not? তুমি কেন হাসছো? Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? তুমি কেন এটা বললে? Why did you say that? Why did you say that? তুমি মিথ্যা বলছো কেন? Why do you lie? Why do you lie? তুমি কেন রেগে আছো? Why are you angry? Why are you angry? তুমি কেন যাচ্ছ না? Why aren't you going? Why aren't you going? তুমি কেন ওকে সাহায্য করলে? Why did you help him? Why did you help him? তুমি কেন চিন্তিত? Why are you worried? Why are you worried? তুমি কেন এটা করলে? Why did you do this? Why did you do this? তুমি কেন থেমে গেলে? Why did you stop? Why did you stop? তুমি কেন কিছু বলছো না? Why are you not saying anything? Why are you not saying anything? তুমি কেন ওখানে গিয়েছিলে? Why did you go there? Why did you go there? তুমি কেন দেরি করছো? Why are you taking so long? Why are you taking so long? তুমি কেন খাওনি? Why didn't you eat? Why didn't you eat? তুমি কেন এখানে এসেছো? Why did you come here? Why did you come here? তুমি কেন এটা কিনলে না? Why didn't you buy this? Why didn't you buy this? তুমি কেন খুশি নও? Why aren't you happy? Why aren't you happy? তুমি কেন এটা চাইছো? Why do you want this? Why do you want this? তুমি কেন আমাকে বলনি? Why didn't you tell me? Why didn't you tell me? তুমি এটা কিভাবে করেছো? How did you do this? How did you do this? তুমি কিভাবে জানলে? How did you know? How did you know? আমি কিভাবে জানবো? How should I know? How should I know? তুমি কিভাবে এখানে এলে? How did you come here? How did you come here? তুমি কেমন বোধ করছো? How do you feel? How do you feel? এটার দাম কত? How much is this? How much is this? তুমি কিভাবে ইংরেজি শিখলে? How did you learn English? How did you learn English? তুমি কিভাবে এটা জানো? How do you know this? How do you know this? তুমি কিভাবে এটা পেলে? How did you get this? How did you get this? তুমি কিভাবে ওখানে পৌঁছালে? How did you reach there? How did you reach there? তুমি কিভাবে এটা বুঝলে? How did you understand this? How did you understand this? তুমি এটা কিভাবে বললে? How did you say that? How did you say that? তুমি কিভাবে এটা ভুলে গেলে? How did you forget it? How did you forget it? তুমি কিভাবে জানলে আমি এখানে আছি? How did you know I'm here? How did you know I'm here? তুমি কিভাবে এত ভালো রান্না করো? How do you cook so well? How do you cook so well? তুমি কিভাবে এটা সামলালে? How did you handle it? How did you handle it? তুমি কিভাবে ওকে চেনো? How do you know him? How do you know him? তুমি কি চাও? What do you want? What do you want? তুমি কি বললে? What did you say? What did you say? তুমি কি বলবে? What will you say? What will you say? তুমি কি বলছো? What are you saying? What are you saying? তুমি কি ভাবছো? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? তুমি কি খাচ্ছো? What are you eating? What are you eating? তুমি কি করেছিলে? What did you do? What did you do? তুমি কি জানো? What do you know? What do you know? ওরা কি করছে? What are they doing? What are they doing? তুমি কি শুনছো? What are you listening to? What are you listening to? তুমি কি কিনলে? What did you buy? What did you buy? এটা কি জিনিস? What is this thing? What is this thing? তুমি কি বোঝাতে চাও? What do you mean? What do you mean? তুমি কি চাচ্ছ এখন? What do you want now? What do you want now? তুমি কি বলেছিলে তখন? What did you say then? What did you say then? ওরা কি বলেছিল? What did they say? What did they say? তুমি কোনটা চাও? Which one do you want? Which one do you want? তুমি কোন রংটা পছন্দ করো? Which color do you like? Which color do you like? তুমি কোনটা নেবে? Which one will you take? Which one will you take? কোনটি আমার? Which is mine? Which is mine? তুমি কোন সময় ফ্রি থাকো? Which time are you free? Which time are you free? তুমি কোন জায়গায় যাচ্ছ? Which place are you going to? Which place are you going to? কোনটি ভালো? Which one is better? Which one is better? তুমি কোন দিক দিয়ে যাবে? Which way will you go? Which way will you go? তুমি কোন দলকে সমর্থন করো? Which team do you support? Which team do you support? তুমি কোন দোকান থেকে নিয়েছিলে? Which shop did you buy it from? Which shop did you buy it from? তুমি কোন ট্রেন ধরবে? Which train will you catch? Which train will you catch? এটা কার ফোন? Whose phone is this? Whose phone is this? এই গাড়িটা কার ছিল? Whose car was this? Whose car was this? এই মোবাইলটা কার ছিল? Whose mobile was this? Whose mobile was this? পুরো ভিডিওর ইংরেজি প্রশ্নগুলোর পিডিএফ নিচের ডেসক্রিপশন আর কমেন্ট সেকশনে দেওয়া আছে। ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগলে অবশ্যই লাইক, কমেন্ট আর সাবস্ক্রাইব করতে ভুলবেন না।